With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question here is that which of the following hormones control the homeostasis of the glucose, right? So glucose, it is one of the most important substrate in case of the human body here, because this is the one which is the source of energy. The glucose, it is broken down here into the number of cycles, glycolysis Krebs cycle, so that the energy would be formed in the form of the ATP here, adenosine triphosphate. Now, we have to talk about the hormone which are controlling the regulation of this glucose here. So the correct answer is insulin and the glucagon, right? So insulin and the glucagon, they are the secretion, or we could say they are the secretion of the pancreas here. The pancreatic cells, the islet of Langerhans, have the three different cells, right? They have the alpha cells, beta cells are present, and then we have the delta cells. The alpha cells, they are producing the glucagon here. The beta cells, they are producing the insulin, and the delta cells, they are the one which are producing the hormone somatostatin, right? Somatostatin here. Now, if we talk about the how they work here, so we'll see that we'll take the glucose here, right? So whenever we see that there is an increased concentration of the glucose in the human blood here, so this insulin will be secreted by the beta cells, and it will try to control down the glucose level in our blood here, right? Otherwise, it would be very much serious for the situation for the individual here. And the glucagon here, so whenever the situation arises that the glucose has been lowered down, the body is not having the needed amount of glucose, so glucagon will be secreted by the alpha cells here, so that the stored glycogen, right, the stored form of the glucose, it is the glycogen, so that the glycogen can be broken down again into the glucose here, and this glucose, it is released into the blood, maintaining the normal level of the glucose that is required by the body to maintain the body functioning here. So this is how they work. Thymosin and relaxin, they are not the answer. Insulin and glycogen, it is also not the case. Aldosterone, it is associated with the sodium excretion here, sodium absorption actually, and the thymosin, it is the secretion of the thymus. Relaxin, it is secreted in the female reproductive tract in order to relax the muscles of the uterus during the parturition.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.